Becky here at Amber Marie & Company. Guess what I want to do today? I want to do something different. We're going to make a bow, but I want to show you how you can style fun things. And one of my favorite things to put a bow on is a lantern. Look at this cute little Asian-inspired one, but it's just garden-esque and patio-worthy. And I just want to pop a fun little piece of bow on it. And these are the two I've chosen. And I love it because I'm going to get 3 ribbon looks out of just 2. So let's make a bow and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to start making my bow, and of course I'm going to start with my tail that sits up here because I will probably be attaching it up here. And I just don't like little blobby bows. I want it to have some drama a little bit, so I'll give her a good tail, maybe about like here in proportion to the lantern. Bye-bye, girlfriend. I'm going to do this. Ooh, this will be fun. We're designing as we go. So when I bring this one over here, now I am going to bring this one around. So I have the stripe over on this side. So I'll have one of each. Then I'll bring this one up around. Again, see, I'm not twisting. I don't like adding bulk. That's just my little trick that saves my fingers. Gotta have a savings plan. Again, just adjusting everything. Okay. I love this ribbon. How cute is this? Now then, this time I'm going to bring the stripe forward on that side. So we have a tail of that one showing. And you just retrain those wires. See already? I mean, we could even leave it at that. It's so cute. Okay, so let's just pop a little bit of this in here. It kind of tells the 4th of July story, right? Does it look like fireworks? And we don't need much. I mean, I could even get away with I could even just do 1 loop and be away with, but let's do 2. Begin to balance that look out. Now then, just to tidy it up and kind of bring the continuity together, I'm going to go back in with that blue star background. Just kind of put one of those in the middle to make it a little more, to ground it, if you will, visually. Yeah, I like this ribbon. I would love to see this in a 4-inch. Anybody make this in a 4-inch? Just give her a little short one. Okay. See how that kind of really brought it all together? Tell me down below. Do you like it? Be nice. You have all been making your bows. Are you getting your zip ties put in there properly? Not having to flip them over? Okay, we're going to trim all those up once we get it zip tied tighter. Zip ties to me, again, I'll say it, I can just get a really good cinch on the middle of the bow. I think it just makes it puffier. And I can really manipulate it more like this. Sometimes I'm just too aggressive, I guess, with my tugging, and I can undo a wire in a heartbeat. So, give me a zippy. Don't forget to decorate. If you've got a fireplace back there, decorate your mantles. We've got some great ideas. You know, I even think I have some stars over there. Wouldn't that be cute to put some big stars up there and tuck some greenery in there and stick a bow? Come on, I've got to put a bow on everything. I always tell my husband if he stops too long, I'm going to put a bow on him. Okay, let's get our lantern up here again. And before I attach it on here, I want to show you another fun thing I'm going to do. I'm going to open it up. Look at this fun cylinder we have. And what's fun about it, it has those little string lights in there. And it has a timer or an on-off switch. Can you see that, Ben? Fun. That really is going to be fun at nighttime. So pop her in there. Close her up so when we pick her up, she doesn't fly open. Now then, if this is the front of my lantern, I don't really want her right there in the front middle of it. That's kind of boring. But I always kind of like it over here to the side. I kind of like it there. I've even been known to, you know, even kind of put something on its shoulder back here, because you can do that. So, but let's go today with it kind of here on her side. But with that zip tie, you can see how I'm able to really make it one with the lantern. She's not going anywhere. Now I can really position all these loops and tails. So see, she's a little more over here on the side. I had some beautiful geranium wreaths. You could set this down in the middle of it. And what a great centerpiece for your patio table. Or put a runner down, set it on there. What do you think?